Hello and welcome to another episode of From the Newsroom. Today, the FPO of Power Grid Corporation has hit the market. By far, this is the largest FPO in the recent times. Anirudh Laskar, my colleague, has joined me, and he will tell us more about how the market has revived or not.
Well, it may be a little too early to answer that question because the FPO has opened just today, and the subscription levels are at initial levels. I mean, at a very initial stage. The issue is closing on Friday, so we have some time to see that. But yes, a company getting ready or getting convinced to hit the market with an issue size of about 7,000 crore definitely shows some kind of confidence is coming back to the market. For about 3 years, the primary market seemed to be almost dead because the last FPO was in May 2011 by Power Finance Corporation, and after that, things seem to have gone on a complete lull. But yes, it's what people are saying that if this issue succeeds, and hopefully another issue by State Bank of India is coming in. If these two large issues succeed, then it would definitely definitely give some indication of a revival, and it would definitely encourage more issuers to hit the market with more FPOs and other primary market issuances. But all the revival hinges on the success of these two issues. So we have to wait and watch whether how things pan out from here, and whether these two issues actually manage to succeed.
Okay. But is there enough appetite in the market considering the large amount?
Well, from the investor's point of view, it is again, once the issues succeed, we'll get a clearer picture. And these two issues are large. And so some analysts are not very confident, but some of them are saying that there is liquidity in the market, and as we have seen that the assets of mutual funds have been dwindling for several months now, and that money is flowing to fixed deposits and debt instruments. So people are saying that if these two issues succeed, then the money which has been moving out of these assets may eventually flow to the primary market issuances. So it actually depends on the success of these two issues and the sentiment. If there is a turnaround in the sentiment, then liquidity should not be a problem. That's what analysts have to say.
Okay. Thanks, Anirudh, for that update. The issue closes on Friday, so we will see how there is actually a revival in the market or not. For more updates, log on to livemint.com.